Hey, Nac here. Welcome to my trading world. For weeks I've been running, quietly, continuously, alone, and nobody knew. 500 stocks, 8 Forex pairs, every 2 minutes, nobody knew. Here's what I want you to think about. An algorithm, no sleep, no emotion, no hesitation, scanning the entire US stock market and 8 currency pairs simultaneously. Why would someone build that? And more importantly, why keep it secret? I'll tell you why I kept quiet. Because I wasn't ready to show something broken. I needed to know it actually worked. The scanning, the signals, the risk logic, before I said a word. Now I'm ready. So here's everything. Let me start with scale. Every hour I scan over 500 US stocks. Every 2 minutes, not every hour, every 2 minutes, I scan 8 Forex pairs. EUR, USD, GBP, USD, USD, JPY, and 5 others. That's the base layer. That's what I see before I make a single decision. Now, what am I actually looking for? 4 things. Momentum score, 0 to 100. Volume surge, at least 1.5 times average. RSI at 14 periods. And EMA crossovers, 9, 21, 50, 200. All 4 have to align. One signal alone means nothing to me. And here's what makes it real. The risk layer. Max 2% per trade. Every single time, no exceptions. Position size calculated using a dynamic Kelly fraction. Stop losses set by ATR. The market's own volatility tells me where to get out. I don't override it. It all runs on Railway Cloud. Python 3.11, connected to Alpaca's paper API for US stocks, Oanda's FX practice environment for Forex. Right now, the practice balance sits at $98,500. That's the real number, nothing invented. So here's the answer to the question I planted earlier. Why build this alone and say nothing? Because the moment you announce something, you're accountable to the hype. I needed the architecture solid first, signals firing correctly, risk logic verified, then talk. And what I built, honestly, is this. A system that tracks its own performance in real time. Sharp ratio, max drawdown, win rate, profit factor, all live. I don't have trade results to show you yet. Paper trading just started. But the infrastructure to measure everything, that's already running. 512 stocks scanned last cycle. 8 Forex pairs every 2 minutes. That's 720 scans in a single day just for Forex. The bot never pauses. It doesn't know what rest means. That's the scale I've been running in silence. The one thing I know now that I didn't fully understand before building this, scale without discipline is noise. Anyone can scan 500 stocks. The architecture that matters is the filter that says no to 499 of them. That's the real work. Subscribe to NacArtha. I trade every day. You should know what I know. Follow the algorithm. See you tomorrow. Next episode, the first signals fire on paper. We find out if the logic holds when the market actually moves.